Ahaya JC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Necessary so we subscribe to the channel now. Necessary over subscribe. You may necessary over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We understand new video be uploaded when the first person I was ever can be. I feel we are now like video on my thumbs up. Now feel share my for us now when you be now one here. I had the latest and hot news in Kwana the Bremo. I feel you and some other toy upon so. Dr. Mahama Bawumia ne running mate Napo Mathew Prempeh and some of the fire Kwame Kuma some big amount for Tuna Sayabasa. Ganafu be now one of the boat and use as in na Kasa Eddie Amani Napo Sebaya woman patrons. CPP for the one cook or piper. I want to say Napo Emraboti and Pacho. Now, you take Ganafu be one someone to fire Napo in Sema. I'm unfortunate. Sorry, I'm unfortunate. As Abasagiti and some I can fully be added to that if I Napoleon some way.
Ghana, Ghana, Bakosama. But I could want to call retirement. Not to be case we say a freestyle Ghana from 1957. Ebekane, the president be our Ghana China and Ado Akufo-Addo. Messi a freestyle 1957. Bekane mo famo Kwame Nkrumah mo famo Obia di wa abedi mampanya wa boga na ho ban e di Ghana kola nim China na do dankwa Akufo-Addo me ka de se ya di jawa na di aswa ya di jano no ofa swa ye ma no ya akono eti na ye gina ha ya ma de si 2008 na bi si biobo Chama would be kind of a cast so. The Bayafe, the Bayani Monyam, Sana do Bako, Adako, run over. Not 7 January. What's all one in your trouble of your son?
Me bed, Makasa Chen, what them tunuful.
So, was in a banana, the Makasa or them, or tunuful. So,
that's my main control.
So, Dr. Mathew Prempeh, who was it? My main control.
So, my Dr. Bawumia, no, who you are.
So, Dr. Bawumia, and no, so you are. So,
and my name no who you are.
So, so you are.
Oh, quite no, quite some pan dinner, China, your better one, I was all year.
Oh, some part of last year, and also. So,
them no, I can't damn America.
Since I say we can't tell them, and so can I say. So,
Paho Brasia, what the actually and the camera, mammy.
Paho Brasia, what the actually and the camera.
Your city and that you are no better one a year.
So,
a buy yes and Crawford when inside the Messia Aqualay, Metitin with few men who are dear tin and near Casa. So, come the air cano, media messa with his antissa, a man in your home. So, now, Elbanso and Yamitumenti, Ubediache, Nebibia, a Bompire, Chena de Yame, Ashisha, Ayahama.
So,
Dr. Bawumia catches them with the national answer.
Dr. Bawumia, who was in control, what in another, so,
baby, I want so Titino, and from Sobia never by Masontina, me, I maintain with them.
Baby, I Titino, and from Sobia, the baby, Montiano, there. So,
Ashanti Rija Chama, what's made than as a papa, Bawumia, I want to me.
Ashanti Regina MPP chairman won't to me, who was in control. Also, what that was papa. So,
that wants to be Biara, where Janet Chin and I am about to come up.
Biara, where Janet and I come. So,
Jamie will say the Academy in our Yamiho.
So you heard what Dr. Mathew Prempeh said yesterday, talking about the fact that no president has done better than Akufo-Addo, not even Kwame Nkrumah. As a Ghanaian citizen, what is your take on this?
Well, good afternoon. You see, what he said yesterday, I was very surprised because even coming Nkrumah did a lot, motorway, even I think he's an energy minister, right? Yeah. So I also na no objection so minister. Say come na here. But mobile economy, I don't think say they have anything that attack the even Akosombo. But okay say your friend is saying Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo, or ye Jumasin your friend is saying Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I was surprised. Even me tell some nana me do me TV because I was like, I was going to say on him history. You understand? How can a minister say a thing like that? Even what surprised me that Uko Otunfo and I call Mao like some speech about they've heard that you are arrogant. Me I think say be about business, but the way I was like, oh nah, Wagu Yenimasi. You understand? So me I can't support that even him alone or my sassifam. And some work ebia now you know person worker. But you have to go back and learn.
I don't believe he's meant to say what he said because let's take Pokwasi to Amasaman Road or in Sawam, for instance. The road is worse. I pass there every day to work and I had to take about 4 to 5 cars even just getting to Mount 7. It is very stressful. There is nothing like they've done better than all those past. At least, Charlie, we are suffering, no. Yeah, bread, the dust, especially when it rains, you can't do anything on this road. You would have to walk in mud everywhere. You get to work and you're already dirty. How are you going to be working with this? So I don't think what he's saying is right and is true as what he's saying because the road in. You
don't think he did better than Dr. Kwame Nkrumah?
No, I don't think so. Because we are really suffering.
Hey, what Napo said was not right in the first place because at the end of the day you were Ghanaian. So if you are able to make that statement there, I think he needs to render an apology to Ghanaians because at the end of the day Kwame Nkrumah has done a lot for Ghanaians. Because we know a lot of history about Kwame Nkrumah, what he did. If every president would have been able to do what he has done, I think the country would move forward. But at a big stage like this, and all what you can say is you're Kwame Nkrumah, then I don't think Napo is a Ghanaian. If he's truly a Ghanaian, he wouldn't say what he said on that big platform. So I think he should come out and render an apology to Ghanaians.
So kasa obwa and Ghana no your politics no your say no Kwame Nkrumah de obi anu no ma waye bibi obesen Kwame Nkrumah wasase we suda o Ghana ha hwakoso modam na hwe tema motorway anyi semi no mienu tema motorway ya faso anyi semi no mienu ene e de kwan ayeye ebi no 6 months na say etu ka tell me say even Kwame Nkrumah na say Kwame Nkrumah mpo ontumi enya de say de Nana Akufo-Addo aya obwa sabe obi aye bi fitin tama ya ji independence jebi dan kwanom nyina be ye bi eye Lawrence so wa be ye bi former president Kufuor ono so be ye bi Akufo-Addo na otisu ono so be ye bi tuntun se no say now Akufo-Addo aye sen Kwame Nkrumah dabi okasa obwa na yanya nyintum because anu am so na me no be ye debate or baby to say the okay enya no kore into onko non sam rebium.
I would say what he said wasn't right at all. Looking at the kind of people who were at the particular ceremony and the time at which we said it, it wasn't much more important for him to have said that. But I think it's a mere political talk. He said his mind. So let's take it from where he said it and what he understands about what he said concerning the former president. Yeah.
So do you think that indeed what he said is that Akufo-Addo has even done better than Dr. Kwame Nkrumah? Do you agree with
that? I don't second that motion. That Akufo-Addo has done better than Nkrumah. We all know Nkrumah. He gained independence for Ghana. He led Ghana to the African Union and several conferences at UN. So Nkrumah has done a lot for us. So he cannot compare Nkrumah to Akufo-Addo. And besides that, he can also say that Akufo-Addo has done better than Nkrumah. I disagree with him.
We shouldn't take this as a mere statement. it shouldn't be a mere statement that look at the infrastructures that we really had. Kwame Nkrumah, University of Ghana, Akosomo Dam, KNUST, other infrastructures. I mean, the road alone from Tema to Accra, it is serving up to now. We couldn't even have the ability to maintain that road. I mean, so I think, to my view, he should be called to explain why he did that comparison. We are here in Ghana, local country, and you are saying this, and this thing is going to international community. Okay, Kwame Nkrumah did a lot. Even if people who are being born today, yesterday, wouldn't know about Kwame Nkrumah, look at what we are benefiting now. I mean, you can't compare Kwame Nkrumah performance to Nana Addo. No. I think he didn't say it right. He didn't say it right. So I think we shouldn't, the media, I mean, because I could say that it could be a political talk. Yeah. This is purely political talk. And he should be called to explain why he did that comparison.
Kwame Nkrumah.
Oh, kasa tintin awukaye nyina baby
me boba. Dia me interested me because me the Kwame Nkrumah dey ubo ni dia no aka.
Man dey interested me.
That interested me say o se Kwame Nkrumah nam ti hey. Na Kwame Nkrumah no mpo no na na do aye adwuma achen bia president bia waba. Ya me yem ship. O starting Kwame Nkrumah na metima komwem nam si na Napo ka katrama. Because me names what there because in Kwabena so. And I'm saying Napo katrama. I mean I just said it. But for some reason no on why you're conscious one twaso. Kwame Nkrumah no ne de. Kwame Nkrumah.
Oye UP ni.
Oye UP ni
Nkrumah ye CP stock. CP stock.
Kwame Nkrumah be ye Ghana ba oji colonialism. Oyi ye free nkwasum. UP for there na omo ye. Oye UP ni time UP wo ho na NLM wo ho no. Na there na omo ye. Ni anti colonialism. Ni anti nkwasum. Kwame Nkrumah wo say Kwame Nkrumah never died.
So like you are talking on also a political campaign platform so.
But just ana kasa. What Kwame Nkrumah e competition?
Said you are the ordinate to president
okay, into the to president aba ho say o president aye better chain obia. Kwame Nkrumah schools, Kwame Nkrumah kwan, Kwame Nkrumah factories, anke ye bo ho ban anka sese nka Ghana kra ye ni unemployment. Abroche factory be ho di 100 years. Akoso mbo dam na Napo yesu minister no. Why na see ye?
Oda so ye na okan na oye na de
baby say wa resign so ntimi nye minister bio
da be no resign
o ma fa crampers na we
no pe me busa me producer o say oye at the presidency
but what say
nya official communication chese na Paris
okay but yes no resign so boy dey automatic you can
send the boss wo the boss will resign as
the boss why oh the bon ntimi nye yi na won say na ndie mfa the boss dey no ye to aba man yeah. Into the point you to Abama as energy minister to Abama. So I resign or mention it's automatic that you leave as energy minister. Yeah, what do Jamie toss? Share. The point is that Kwame Nkrumah now was Kwame Nkrumah. Free SHS now model more mwasa for him. Why na di model on the buy? Ya Kwame Nkrumah na di free SHS buy ya.
Akasana how?
I say, how do you say Kwame Nkrumah? Why no Kwame Nkrumah?
Oh man, benefit of doubt say from some pakasa do mo. Wow, cow say we can say cow ketrema. E wo fie but ono anso opose yente bia na ni ba ne ho say I shouldn't be saying
but what carry with
man benefit of the doubt.
Baby, when benefit of the doubt as otumfo ne wakasa. As I say wuti asem na Opoku minua no. Betimi aka nanim because minua. Okay. Me can name say Bontini position na wanya no me nua no no untimi nka se enye even though omo anya ade me nua no no but one kase ye no nchese me ya bashe bone na maka no mi president so kan ho bi speech or the start ye na she ni kutupa oh yes speech or the start ye na she ni kutupa because that's why ya bashe bone what no can no low shedding who kase no low shed who expect say that program ba kase low shedding oh ultimately Kwame Nkrumah no na seek news to ma wo university be ye medical doctor.
Ye can university ya na wasesa din no.
Sana mfeno. Kwame Nkrumah eno ne awadodo.
All right.
Key news. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Eno ebe ma wo ye science a be ye doctor. Ultimately the same Kwame Nkrumah no ono na ye free SHS na o de bo ho asafo hene. O di model ne beto ho. They be a free SHS ya wiase Ghana free SHS nko a ye nidi primary school ni ho JHS ni ho tertiary ni ho TVET ni ho bibia ye free SHS okay wo de ba ho asafo ne sa Kwame Nkrumah no ono ene be see be ye model for free SHS ya. How can you do that? Number 2 sanka wo be as I say wutimi every obia eye den e ka bom woso oma wo makono so omo bekwa wo monko na ye fe ne sen osiechi ye oda ehwa na wotafre onsechi ye oda enkoye se bebo so osiechi ye oda ehwa na wotafre
enye osiechi ye oda
da ehwa na wotafre
sa na e kan
ya so osiechi ye oda ehwa na so ye that's it so osiechi ye oda ehwa na wotafre ne beza me kache na Napo se adura ba edi twi esiechi di so osiechi ye oda na anim se yade ye wo Itube Pedro na de atwi enka na siti no krampo ne de ayi sapo
okay sorry
ene ayi body tie no ene ayi bidie ye twi ne de atwi so there is an antidote to osi achi enye woda osi achi nya woda ni so otafre so wo ye ho adwuma nti ugina ho ka chese asantefo omo si achi nya omo po omo mpo MPP because ayi omo si achi the fact is say ye den no nkyere sese ye tena ho ye betwi ne atwi ne ye ne anya fa ahodie asanteman betwi ne ye
Ghana ha ye chechi Ghana abakosoma but Akufo-Addo call retirement not even be say case we say a free say ye chechi Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ye nya president bia wa Ghana China na do da Akufo-Addo Messi a free 1957 back on there mo form Kwame Nkrumah no mo form obia di wa ba di mampanya wa boga na ho ban e di Ghana kola nim China na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo me ka ne say ya di jawa ne di oswa ya di jano no ofaswa ye ma no ya akono eti na ye jira ha yamba de si 2008 na bi si biobo chama wutu bi kan na me kase so de ba fe de ba ni monyam sana na do bako adako of run over na 7 January what's on no ni aketo ba obi ansa
yo wait for we and some ye Ghana for editu ga fire Mathew Opoku Prempeh na po ni some ka fire Kwame Nkrumah na ye sembebri because Jubilee so and I will no so we also subscribe ya let's just say over subscribe and like it now if you watch the video no ama ofoforo so eya bi ahwe we so betimi a chere wadin afaye and some we na ho e wo comment box ni mo beti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.
Independence, we haven't had good leaders, selfless leaders.
I believe in Kwame Nkrumah, although I'm UP.